Церемония награждения Сберпротех.
SberProTech 2023 award ceremony. The digitization of business is no longer just a strategy, it's an existential need. A big problem is finding talented developers who will be developing and implementing the technology. In 2023, Sber has launched SberProTech competition. 171 companies were represented. Their developers have been trying to figure out how to use AI in their products in the most efficient way. 30 most interesting projects have been selected, and right now we are going to announce the winners. To sum up the results of the hackathon, I would like to welcome on the stage Senior Vice President of Sber, Vladimir Sitnov. Please give it up for Vladimir. Vladimir, over to you. Hello, dear friends. Very happy to see you all here. Hi, everyone watching us online. This is our second hackathon. This is an event that we have decided to organize for our partners and clients, everyone working on digital transformation. We have more than 500 clients that are digitizing themselves. When we were just embarking on the journey of digitization, we thought that we could do the digitization for all our clients ourselves. At some point, we realized that we were wrong. We are not able to do this for all our clients. So we decided to look for partners. In March 2022, we signed our first partnership agreement, with an IT company. And essentially, this launched this big new business area of partnering up with companies to help clients digitize. We have more than 300 partners on board helping us digitize. And I'm proud to say that 5 to 7 companies a week are joining the Sber Group for the purposes of digitization. We have more than 1.5 corporate clients in Russia, so there's a lot of area to cover. This hackathon has become one of the most useful and popular events, producing useful solutions for our clients. So let's talk about not just winners, but also those who actively participated and actively contributed. 171 companies working on it for 1.5 months. Great interest towards the hackathon and towards this topic in general. I think the next year, 2024, will be even larger in scale in that regard, as we all understand the power of it. It's either you're in or you are left behind. The participants had to work out a digital solution embedding Sber fintech elements and AI elements through API. 4 criteria for evaluation: demand, Sber services, scale, and depth of sophistication. Let's see our first category, digital sales department. A-Flow Vision AI is first. Center of Programming Software, they came third. Second place, Protly MATLAB. Congratulations. And the winning team is nocode.ru. No coding. Please come up on this stage. This is our winner. We have the winning team member to receive the awards. Congratulations and thank you for participating. This is for you. Thank you very much. I have a lot of questions for you. I won't keep you here for long, though. First thing I wanted to ask you, you presented your solution, but as tradition goes with startups, can you just pitch it for 60 seconds? Well, startup, that's a difficult thing. No Code is a digital platform with zero coding mechanics, bringing together business and client services, internal and external, with the business logic without the involvement of the developer. With the fintech services that we had to integrate, we did that integration using common analytics. We embedded Sber Fintech API through our own configurations. The platform is pretty broad with lots of applications to automate internal processes, to enhance clients' digital services from fintech all the way to retail. This participation in Hackathon got you the first place, but also these solutions are something that you will be able to apply in your work. Well, yes, thanks to the Hackathon, we wanted to demonstrate to colleagues from Sber how flexible our solution is, for them to understand what industry-specific services can be brought together, and we wanted to show how easy it is to embed Sber Core Business into the platform in order to satisfy customer needs. Thank you. Sorry, maybe I'm asking too many questions, but it's just that I'm very interested. Can you sell this solution? Well, of course, that's why we created it. So I'm just trying to get a sense of scale. How much do you think it might cost? We are working based on a license, so this could be a recurrent license subscription from hundreds of thousands to millions on a regular basis. It all depends on the complexity of the solution. For example, based on this platform, a solution for electronic document flow has been configured. There's been our case, where we wanted to optimize processes with software companies. So it requires its own optimization. Do you want to sell this idea or rather use it in-house, be this unique copyright holder? We are trying to create a platform to attract as many partners as we can, product owners also, who will be able to configure final solutions. We are a vendor that develops the technological platform, but some solutions, final solutions for the clients, are something that we put on the shelves ourselves through distribution channels, partner channels. But our goal here is to attract as many tech partners as possible, for them to be able to execute their own digitization projects based on our platform in all kinds of industries. And also in terms of this approach to distribution, it could be a SaaS solution in Sber Cloud, or it could also be a solution exported from the cloud on-prem. If your corporate security policy requires it. Thank you very much. Perhaps I need my own team to participate in the next hackathon. Very useful in many aspects. Thank you very much. This applause is for you. Thank you.
Moving on. Who is the best in the digital procurement section? These are the exciting sections. Bokos is the name of the company. Second place, great results, and a round of applause for you. Third place, I'm sorry. Second place, Agora from Centromed. And the winner is Cenovik Pro for NTAT. Please welcome to the scene, to the stage, and a round of applause for you.
Поздравляю. Спасибо большое за участие. Отличный результат.
Congrats. Thank you for participating. Great result. Well, maybe a few words. How did you organize your work, and what was the result apart from the victory? Obviously, my colleagues, great to meet you here. I'd like to thank Sber team for supporting us. They rated us and supported us all along the way. Now, the companies with a low automation level usually face the challenges such as the operational costs. Sometimes the procurement procedure is more expensive than the procurement itself. Lack of transparency and the payment discipline, the settlements between the company and between companies and the partners, the vendors, and the inability to spend customer enterprise solutions on customer enterprise solutions. If you talk about SMEs, so we have created an enterprise solution to integrate all end-to-end processes of the procurement activities. So we digitize all processes, starting with the core needs and go into the guarantee work. Settlements with the services, the instant payments with Sber, legal entity ranking thanks to data from Sber as well. And we have out-of-the-box solution. You need 1 or 2 days to fine-tune the process, and you have a ready-made out-of-the-box solution that you can work with. I can see that under the hood you have GigaChat, among others. Other technologies used in your solution. How do you use that? Well, it's almost under the hood. We're using it for creating texts, for working with complaints. So, as far as I understand, that it is doing that work. Hopefully, thanks to Cenovik Pro and other companies like that, we will digitize the process of document flow and forget all about it. It will be very user-friendly and easy. We'll also are going to, create a full-fledged product soon, and we will take a huge part of work that will be automated. And another big part of this work is participating in the Hackathon. Yeah, absolutely. I think that's great. Well, that is the victory that you have deserved. A round of applause for you again. And we are moving to the last award. Digital back office. Who is the best? Third place, Robin Company. A round of applause for you. Fingrad, Finance Management. A round of applause again. And the winner is IT Avia. Please welcome to the stage. Digital back office. Sounds very complicated. There are questions in terms of how we are able to achieve all that. Can ask for a mic. Hello? What this service is about? How does it work? Well, in a few words, we all use planes, and the plane carries passengers and cargo. The cargo is something we're talking about. IT Avia is the platform that unites Russian and foreign companies, more than 400 expedition companies, and all of them work to make sure that the cargo is delivered to the customer. So when you look at a plane that is flying, in the majority of the cases, you see a plane that services that has the cargo organized by us, and the delivery of which is organized by us. So we are innovators here, and we are kind of regulators in a way. And I would like to say that all of the processes related to the settlement and to the comparison to the checks, they were done conservatively. And this is the problem in our area. And Sber Solutions helped us. We integrated smart contract service in our platform, and currently now anyone can have a smart contract with a touch of a button. It's very easy to fine-tune, and companies get the payment, and it's guaranteed. So everything related to the settlements, all of these issues are resolved. And there are new opportunities for agents to get loans. The loans are included in the package, or could be included in the package, obviously. So this is a kind of the combination of the services and products that we provide. This is something that we fine-tune together with Sber, and I think this is a great thing. Now you have GigaChat under the hood as well. I think I know in what areas it is used. Well, as I've said before, there are many large companies, and you can see them here: Euro Airlines, UTair, and all the rest. We have several thousands of users. Now, there are some problems in terms of registering the cargo. We have 24/7 support available in several languages that provide services to our customers, and it helps. I mean, we use GigaChat obviously to drive down the load on our support team. Now, Vladimir, maybe you have some questions because you were one of the person who organized this hackathon. Maybe some ideas for next year. I think the main takeaway is to organize yet another hackathon like that. I would like to thank all of our 171 participants who were interested in this hackathon and invested in that, because we find great solutions in all of the fintechs that we work with. We understand how to make it Sber native. And as part of this communication, we give the customers the opportunity to understand how can you ensure that competitive edge together with Sber. How can you become quicker for your customer? And I'm sure that the third hackathon and all the other hackathons to follow will also be popular. And we'll have more and more partners in IT. You know, this effort to digitally transform our customers, and maybe we will have more partners that will be accredited by us, and they will be able to digitize their business. Right, so I invite everyone, all the participants, the winners, those who, and actually everyone who participated in the hackathon, in all of these tasks, you are in the top 3. So the general picture is a great result, testifies to the great result. I would like to say that, yeah, I think I will be somewhere here. I will, put it like I participated in this hackathon as well. All right. Everyone will move here. 2 steps back, and to make a great picture.
Я понял. Давайте двигаться, пока нас не остановит. Продолжаем движение. И вот теперь, я так понимаю... Ой, сори. Теперь мы вот так вот более-менее организационно...
All right. And this is how we are going to make a great picture. And it's great to be among these advanced people who invented all these great solutions. So thank you all everyone. Fantastic job. Right. Vladimir, thank you for joining us and for summing up the results of the hackathon. I would like to say to everyone, that is the end of the SBIR 2023 hackathon. We're now having a small break, and in 15 minutes we will have the awards, national awards, the leaders of AI.